Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app. Tap on the Discover option from the bottom of your screen. Here, in the Discover section, you can see the channels option. Simply tap on it. You are now in the channels section. Scroll up or down and watch the videos on WeChat. And that's it. This is how you can watch videos on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.